I put together multiple backpacks for high school and middle school students, and these included all of the necessities that you need for first day at school. We've got this, for sure.
Yeah, totally.
No doubt.
Totally.
Can I throw it in there?
We are so excited. We can't stop.
500 backpacks are being filled with all school supplies for foster kids and for needy kids, both middle school and high school.
When you were a kid and you wanted to go and buy all your stuff, pencils, markers, hand sanitizer, I didn't have to use that.
So much. We had the binder, we had the notebook paper, notebooks, erasers, dry erase markers.
Oh, composition notebook, who doesn't want one of those?
I had one of those backpacks on my back, and they've got a big load in store for them.
Yeah.
I put together 2 middle school backpacks.
I think I've carried out 1% of the backpacks.
I know I did 10.
I mean, it brings you right back to being younger or in school or trying to find your way.
I love that Mercedes-Benz supports that.
It is so great to see you all join today's Back to School Giveback event here at 1MB. We are joined by 2 amazing nonprofit partners, the Sandy Springs Education Force and Together We Rise.
We're really excited to be here today for Mercedes-Benz USA Driving Your Future program. We're excited to be building STEM kits for youth here locally in foster care and to be able to see all the collaboration with the employees as well.
Sandy Springs Education Force supports the 11 public schools in Sandy Springs. We work with the administrators to create targeted programs with positive outcomes that prepare all of our students for the future.
We don't focus just on one thing. We focus on any basic necessity that a child would need while they're going through the foster care system, including their education, health, mental health, anything like that. We've actually been seeing a lot of familiar faces who were here last time, and they're already coming up to us super excited.
The energy here is exciting. I know this is the first week that many of them are back in the building, and we love being a part of that. And it's like a party atmosphere, and that part of the party is giving back to the community says a lot about this organization.
Being able to do this amongst our whole community and doing this for the better good is exciting for me.
The camaraderie, seeing everybody working together.
I really hope that it touches one of those children's hearts.
We are having the best time. We love it.
I am elated to be back, so yes!